Welcome to the video tutorials of mechanisms by mekanizmalar. In this video we are going to focus on a technical drawing puzzle for engineering students. We are going to show you how two aluminum blocks are joined by T-slots. We will show you all the faces of the assembled puzzle, as you will notice all the faces are identical. We will stop on each face for 5 seconds to give you enough time to observe each face. However, you can stop the video once you've seen the first face, because all the other faces are identical. Your task is to make a technical drawings of the two joints. Here we go. As you can see, the joining line of the blocks are highlighted with black lines. The second face is identical to the first one. If you wish, you may stop now to solve the puzzle. The third face also identical. And finally here is the fourth face. Now you can stop and think about the solution, or just watch the video to see the disassembled parts. Let's disassemble the parts. This is a perfect job for 3D printing and I hope someone will do it. If T-slots is difficult for 3D printing, you may as well use V-shaped slot. Thank you for watching our videos. We encourage you to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video if you liked it.